Hello everyone, welcome. Today, we are talking about something important. We are talking about saving money.
Yes, saving money is very important. Sometimes, we don't think about it, but later, we feel regret.
Maya, you look tired. Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine. Just thinking about my expenses.
Expenses? Did something happen?
Yes, this month, I spent too much money, shopping, food delivery, and small unnecessary things.
I understand. Sometimes we spend money without thinking.
Exactly, and now, I don't have enough money left.
Did you save anything?
No, not even a little.
That's okay. Today is the right day to start saving.
Arjun, tell me, why is saving money so important?
Saving money helps us feel safe. It helps us in emergencies. It helps us achieve goals like buying a phone, a house, or traveling.
Yes, when we save money, we feel more responsible.
Right. Saving money is not only about money, it is about discipline and planning.
I like that sentence. It is about discipline and planning. I think my biggest mistake is buying things quickly, without thinking.
Impulse buying?
Yes, impulse buying. I see something, and I want it immediately.
I used to do the same, but then I started asking myself one question. Do I really need this?
A simple question, but powerful.
Yes, it saves money, and it helps control emotions.
So Arjun, if someone wants to start saving, what should they do first?
Very simple. Step 1. Track your spending. Write down what you spend each day.
Yes, writing helps.
Step 2. Make a small budget. Decide how much for food, transport, and shopping.
Budget means plan for spending?
Exactly.
And step 3?
Step 3. Save first. Spend later. When you get money, take a small amount and keep it aside.
Like maybe 10%?
Yes, even if it's small, it grows with time.
Sometimes saving feels slow. Sometimes I feel like giving up.
That feeling is normal. Saving requires patience and long-term thinking.
Long-term thinking?
Yes. Don't think about today only. Think about your future self.
Future me will be thankful.
Exactly.
How do you stay motivated?
I make a goal. For example, I want to save for a trip. When I remember the goal, I feel motivated.
I like that idea. A goal gives purpose.
Yes, and every time I save, I feel proud.
I want to feel that too. Arjun, thank you. Today I want to start saving.
That's a great decision.
I will write my expenses. I will make a budget, and I will save before I spend.
Perfect. Remember, small steps create big change.
Friends, saving money is not difficult. You just need to start.
Even if it is small, save something.
Your future will thank you. Arjun, I want to share one more lesson.
Yes, Ria, I am listening. Please tell me.
Many people save money, but they never track where their money goes. Tracking is important.
Tracking? What do you mean by tracking?
Tracking means writing or recording your expenses, like how much you spend on food, how much on travel, how much on entertainment, and how much on loans.
Oh, I understand. So tracking helps us know where the money is going.
Exactly. When we know where the money goes, we can change our habits.
Sometimes I spend too much on snacks, and I don't even realize it.
Yes, small expenses feel small, but when they repeat every day, they become big expenses.
So, the key is discipline.
Yes, discipline and patience.
Ria, Can I ask another question?
Of course, ask anything.
What should we do when we really want something, but that thing is not necessary?
Good question. We should follow a rule.
What rule?
The 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something, but it is not urgent, wait 24 hours. If after 24 hours, you still want it, then think again. If you still want it, and it fits your budget, only then buy it.
Wow, that is a very wise method.
Yes, because sometimes, we buy things because of emotions, not because of need.
Ria, today's conversation has opened my eyes. I feel more confident about saving now.
I'm happy to hear that. Saving money is not just about money. It's about planning our future. It's about being strong. It's about being ready for life.
And it is also about peace.
Yes, financial peace.
Saving money is not a sacrifice. Saving money is a gift we give to our future self.